One of Mars's panoramic shots shows Olympus Mons, the largest discovered volcano in the solar system. It is almost 3 times larger than Mount Everest and covers an area about the size of Missouri.
Oh, God. The height one was like, all right, it's really tall. And then, like, the width one was the one that got me for some reason. Like, an entire state. Okay.
So it extends to a height well beyond that of the atmosphere. So, like, all you morons that want to hike Everest, come hike this one.
Yeah. If we ever colonize Mars, somebody's gonna
be all like, I've got to do it.
Yeah.
I'm going to get on these Mons.
Apparently a lot of Jamaicans climb this mountain. I don't know.
Like and follow for more movie facts and fun.